Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to my class. Students, we started the chapter Footprints Without Feet of your English supplementary book, Footprints Without Feet. This chapter is quite an interesting chapter. It is about a scientist who, after failing many times, finally, succeeded in discovering a drug which can make human invisible. But he swallowed that drug and he became invisible. But as the chapter tells us that scientist, the name of the scientist is Griffin, that Mr. Griffin was a lawless person in his personal life. Though he was a brilliant scientist, yet he was a lawless person. Means वो बहुत law में विश्वास नहीं करता था. And after he discovered and he discovered the solution, or discovered the drug, and he swallowed that and he became invisible. What did he do? Because of the reason that his landlord did not like him and he tried to eject him from his house, so he set the house of his landlord on the fire. And because he did not want to come in anybody's sight, so he just removed his clothes and he became invisible. But because of that he became a homeless wanderer. वो भटक गया, मतलब वो बिना घर के भटकने वाला ट्रैवलर हो गया. And students, we are just revising whatever we have read so far. So when he set the house on the fire and he ran away from there without the clothes, and he became a homeless wanderer, the person who doesn't have a home, doesn't have money, doesn't have clothes, and he was invisible up to when he landed his feet in the mud, and two young boys saw those fresh muddy imprints and they started following, and soon those muddy footprints were disappeared and they were not able to follow. After that, what Mr. Griffin decides, he decides that it's better to go in some store and find out clothes for him, and rather than wandering in the streets of London, because it was winter season, and due to that winter season and above that he was not wearing any clothes, that's why he was visible. So he wanted some warm clothes for him, so he went inside the big store of London. So when the closing time arrived, everybody went to their homes and the shutters were down of the store. Then he just arranged everything for him, like he arranged clothes for him and he doesn't have to pay. बिना पैसे दिए उसने अपने लिए सब कुछ ले लिया, कपड़े ले लिए. He wore a overcoat, white brimming hat, and shoes and dark glasses and all. And he had food for himself, cold meat and coffee from the kitchen of the restaurant in that store, and from grocery stores he wore everything whatever he wanted. बिना पैसे से उसने सब कुछ ले लिया. After that he just went on and lay down on the piles of quilts. रजाइयों के ढेर पे जाके वो सो गया. अगर वो समय से उठ जाता, next day if he had woken up at the right time before anybody comes in the store, so everything would have been normal. किसी को पता नहीं चलता कि कोई आदमी अंदर आया था और उसने सब कपड़े वगैरह ले गया या चोरी हुई स्टोर में. But he did not wake up at time, and because of that, and he woke up at that time, and two assistants of the store, they opened the store and they saw obviously, and they approached towards him, and he became nervous and he ran away from there by removing the clothes. And so again he was clothless, दोबारा से उसके पास कपड़े नहीं थे, and he was wandering in the streets of London. But this time he decided that he will go to he will target the theatrical company. So he went on the Drury Lane, which was famous for the theatres, and soon he found out a shop which was good for his purpose, and then he went inside that. He dressed up himself, and over the shoulder head portion he just covered with bandages. He brought a big hat, side whiskers. Big side whiskers means विचेस जो मूछे होती है घुमावदार, वो भी उसने लगाई. डार्क ग्लासेस, शूज, एवरीथिंग. एंड देन ही killed that shopkeeper from behind so that nobody could see him, and he took the money, whatever amount of money was there, he took, and he wanted to go in a peaceful area, so he just took a train to the Iping village. When he reached there, because it was the winter season, so to any stranger, if anyone comes in the winter season, it was an unusual event in that village. आना, किसी का भी आना सर्दियों में एक अलग घटना थी, नॉर्मल घटना नहीं थी. And above all that his appearance was quite strange, quite weird, because he was wearing bandages, big white hat and glasses and all. And because he booked 2 rooms, as he booked 2 rooms in a small hotel inn, and that was belonged to Mrs. Hall's husband. So he was the landlord of that inn, but as he paid the advanced to Mrs. Hall, so Mrs. Hall adjusted with his eccentric nature. He just she just convinced herself that this is a eccentric scientist, but because he has paid me in advance, so I will manage with his eccentric behavior. He was a kind of person, he just when Mrs. Hall tried to make friendship with him, he just said that I have come here for solitude, मुझे यहाँ पर शांति चाहिए, अकेलापन चाहिए. So she adjusted, but soon the looted money went out. It did not last long. पैसा उसके पास ख़त्म हो गया, उसे पैसों की ज़रूरत थी, but he pretended that check is about to come and then he will pay them. उसने ऐसा दिखाया कि उसका एक चेक आने वाला है, then वो उसको पैसे दे देगा. Then strange things started happening in that village. First, the scientist itself, he stole from the clergyman's desk. He stole the money from clergyman's desk. Clergyman heard some noises, chink of money, that somebody is taking out. पैसों की खनखनाहट सुनाई दी, उसने दरवाज़ा को स्टिक से खोला, but they were amazed because there was no one in that room, and they searched everywhere and they did not find, but still the money was missing. So clergyman, after that incident, clergyman was continuously saying that, oh, what an amazing affair, what an amazing extraordinary affair, but that something more extraordinary happened than that, and that was the strange behavior of the furniture of Mrs. Hall's room. So we read up to there that Mrs. Hall and landlord, her husband, they woke up early in that morning and they saw that the scientist room was open, which was usually closed and shut and closed, but they couldn't resist themselves to peep into the room. So they just went, they saw that bedclothes were not warm, they were cold, so he must have waken up early, and मतलब जल्दी उठ गया होगा, कपड़े ठंडे, बिस्तर ठंडा था और जल्दी उठ गया होगा. उसके जो bandages and all, they were lying on the floor room, और अचानक से Mrs. Hall heard a sniff close to his ear and her ear, and then what did she saw that the hat on the bedpost just slapped and dashed on straight onto her face, and the bedroom chair, the chair of her room, then the bedroom chair became alive as she and her husband turned away in terror. The extraordinary chair pushed them both out of the room and then appeared to slam and lock the door after them. अपने आप ही वो चेयर जिंदा हो गई, हवा में घूमने लगी और उनकी तरफ आई. जिस पैर सबसे सामने थे चेयर के, उनको दोनों को बाहर पुश किया और ऐसा लगा कि चेयर ने खुद ही दरवाज़ा को बंद करके अंदर से लॉक कर लिया. We have read up to here. Now we will continue the chapter's explanation. So Mrs. Hall almost fell down the stairs in hysterics. Hysterics, students, the word meaning hysteric means expression of extreme fear. जब आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा डर जाते हो, आप कुछ बोलने की हालत में नहीं रहते हो, तो हिस्टीरिया भी बोलते हैं. जब आप बेहोश से होने लगते हो, बोलने की हालत में नहीं रहते हो, तो ऑलमोस्ट फेल डाउन द स्टेयर्स, अब सीढ़ियों से लगभग गिरते गिरते ही बची क्योंकि वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा डरे हुए थे. शी वॉज कन्विंस्ड, सो हिस्ट्रिक मीन्स expression of extreme fear, expression of extreme fear. She was convinced that the room was haunted by spirits. So now she was convinced that this room is haunted by the spirits. आत्माओं ने यहाँ पे डेरा डाल लिया है. And that the stranger had somehow caused these to enter her furniture. And the stranger, the scientist, he has somehow managed to, enter those spirits into the furniture, into her furniture. जो उसका सामान था, फर्नीचर था, सोफा, चेयर एंड ऑल, उसने आत्माओं को उसमें प्रवेश करवा दिया है. My poor mother used to sit in that chair. She moaned. Moan. Students, what do you understand by the word moan? When you make a low sound in pain, due to pain. आपको दर्द हो रहा है और उस वजह से आप कराहना, जिसको हिंदी में कहते हैं कराहना. सो उसने कराते हुए कहा कि माई मदर यूज टू सिट ऑन दैट चेयर, मेरी माँ उस चेयर पे बैठा करती थी. टू थिंक इट शुड राइज अप अगेंस्ट मी, और अब मुझे ऐसा सोचना पड़ रहा है कि वो मेरे खिलाफ ही खड़ी हो जाएगी, ऐसा मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था. बिकॉज द चेयर ऑन विच हर मदर यूज टू सिट, दैट चेयर अटैक्ड ऑन देम एंड पुश्ड देम बोथ आउट ऑफ द रूम. सो शी वॉज थिंकिंग कि मुझे क्या पता था ये चेयर मेरे ही खिलाफ खड़ी हो जाएगी. द फीलिंग among the neighbors was that the trouble was caused by witchcraft. Because this incident, anybody if they saw such type of incident, and the feeling after listening to the incident, the feeling among the neighbors, जो पड़ोसियों में जो feeling थी, जो सोच रहे थे वो ये थी कि ये सब किसी जादू टोने की वजह से हुआ. witchcraft means जादू टोना, witchcraft. Students, the witchcraft means the use of magic powers. जादू टोना, टोना टोटका और तंत्र मंत्र, we can say the use of magic powers, witchcraft. तो ये पड़ोसी सब यही सोच रहे थे कि ये सब किसी ने जादू टोना किया है. बट witchcraft or not, चाहे वो जादू टोना था या नहीं, when news of the burglary at the clergyman's home became known, चाहे ये जादू टोना था उसके घर में या नहीं, but when the news of clergyman, what happened to the clergyman's house, the जो चोरी हुई थी उसकी सबको पता चला, the strange scientist was strongly suspected of having had a hand in it. तो जो strange scientist आ रखा था गांव में, the strange scientist which came to the village, who was staying in and everybody was strong, he was strongly suspected that he had a hand in that. उसका इस सब में हाथ है, उसके ऊपर सब लोग संदेह करने लगे. सस्पेक्टेड मीन्स वो उस चीज़ के लिए उसके ऊपर सब शक करने लगे. सस्पिशियन, डाउट. सस्पिशियन मीन्स डाउट. Suspicion grew even stronger when he suddenly produced some ready cash, though he had admitted not long before that he had no money. And that doubt grew more stronger when he suddenly produced the ready cash. जब उसने पैसा दे दिया उसको, जब उसने आकर मिसेस हॉल को पैसा दिया, and he admitted, he himself admitted that he no, and before that he had no money. उसने ज़्यादा समय नहीं हुआ था जब उसने खुद ही ये कहा था कि उसके पास पैसा नहीं है और वो एक चेक का वेट कर रहा है. So when he suddenly produced the ready cash and everybody was just suspecting, and that doubt, that suspicion grew more stronger when he produced the cash. Because जब आप ये कहें कि मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, मैं थोड़े समय में दूंगा, और ये आपने कुछ समय पहले ही कहा है, एंड अचानक से आप आके पैसे दे देते हो. और दो चोरियां भी, चोरी की घटना हो गई क्लर्जीमैन के हाउस में, और सब लोगों का शक उस पर था, और जब उसने पैसा दिया तो उस शक को और बल मिल गया, और स्ट्रांग हो गया डाउट. द विलेज कांस्टेबल वॉज सीक्रेटली सेंट फॉर. विलेज कांस्टेबल को सीक्रेटली सूचित कर दिया गया. सीक्रेटली The village constable was informed about this burglary or this theft. Instead of waiting for the constable, Mrs. Hall went to the scientist who had somehow mysteriously appeared from his empty bedroom. Though, so Mrs. Hall did not wait. Instead of waiting for the constable, that let's constable should come, then we will go. But इसके बजाय she just directly Mrs. Hall went to the scientist. वेट नहीं किया, उसके बजाय सीधा साइंटिस्ट के पास गई. Who had somehow mysteriously, जो पता नहीं अचानक किसी रहस्यमय तरीके से appeared from his empty bedroom, because they both, Mrs. Hall and her husband, both went into the room. They did not find anyone, but after the incident, when she went directly to the scientist who mysteriously appeared from somewhere in the empty room. जो खाली रूम था उसमें से वो प्रकट हो गया रहस्यमय तरीके से. So I want to know what you have been doing to my chair upstairs, she demanded. So उसने बिल्कुल डिमांड करते हुए कहा कि मैं जानना चाहती हूँ that what you have been doing, तुम मेरी चेयर के साथ ऊपर सीढ़ियों में क्या कर रहे हो, या क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हो. She demanded, उसने जवाब मांगा. And I want to know how it is you came out of an empty room and how you entered a locked room. And I also want to know that how you have appeared from an empty room and how have you entered a locked room. हमने तो दरवाज़ा बंद हो गया था जब when the chair pushed both of them outside and door was slammed and locked it from inside. So how you have appeared, how you have appeared inside the locked room and how are you coming out of an empty room. कैसे हुआ कि तुम जो दरवाज़ा अंदर से बंद था उसके अंदर से तुम प्रकट हो गए और बाहर वहाँ से अंदर से बाहर आ रहे हो. How is it possible? The scientist was always quick-tempered. Mr. Griffin, the scientist, वो हमेशा से ही छोटी छोटी बातों पर गुस्सा हो जाता था. Quick-tempered means जिसको छोटी सी बात पे नाराज हो जाना. Now he became furious. अब तो उसे बहुत ही ज़्यादा गुस्सा आ गया. Furious means to become very very angry. You don't understand who or what I am. He said that you people will not understand that who, मैं कौन हूँ और मैं क्या हूँ. What I am. He shouted. Very well, I'll show you. बोलता है बहुत अच्छा, ठीक है. You are doubting on me. You are saying how can I come out from a locked room or an empty room. I will show you. मैं दिखाता हूँ तुम्हें. He said like this. So students, I'll come just after a break.